Today, I'm sharing some fun activities that we use to learn numbers and practice fluency.
Starts with a 7, that's 70. We want to find 67. 67 starts with a...
For this activity, you will need a numbers chart up to 100, post-it notes and a marker. Write random numbers on the post-it note. Give it one by one to your little one and read the numbers out or let them read the numbers out. And then have your little one find it on the wall chart.
88.
Ooh, that's right, 88. Yes. Oh, it matches.
Number 2, calendar countdown. This activity has 2 functions. I actually started it to teach Aurora the concept of time, and each month we would count down towards something that we were looking forward to. I started it in October last year and we counted towards her birthday. It is Aurora's birthday. Oh, is that your birthday? Halloween. Oh, your party. And then in November towards her friend's birthday, and in December towards Christmas, and so on and so forth. And what I noticed was that it was also a great activity for Aurora to practice her fluency counting up to 31 as we continued every month. P.S. It did take a few days for her to get into the groove and notice that the days were getting closer. We also count the days that are left. And sometimes we did forget a few days, but it was fine, we just caught up. For this activity, you will need a monthly calendar, some dot stickers I found worked best for us, but you could also use number stickers, a marker and blue tack. I laminated our copy for durability and blue tacked it at her level. Then write out all the numbers on the dot stickers with a Sharpie and that's it. Every morning we look at the calendar, what day and date it is, and she sticks the number to the corresponding day. Number 3, counting beans. Once your little one stops putting things in their mouth, this is a fascinating activity for them. All you will need are some beans. I've used soup bean mix, an ice cube tray for sorting, and a wall chart. Then have your little one sort the beans into groups, count how many are in each group, and find it on the wall chart. Number 4, putting counters on number cards. Using physical objects when counting helps children to see the number in relation to other numbers and see that it's bigger or smaller. So for this activity, all you will need are some counters. Use whatever you have on hand. Some ideas are coloured sticks, cotton buds, toothpicks, beans or lentils, and some number cards. Then have your little one place the counters on the number card to represent the number that's shown.
7, 8.
Beautiful. Number 5, coloured popsicle sticks. This is another sorting and counting activity where your little one sorts the popsicle sticks into colours and then counts how many are in each group and matches it to the number cards. For this activity, you'll need coloured popsicle sticks, cups, bowls or containers, and number cards.
Oh, 5. Ah, beautiful. 4 yellow in the bowl. Oh, good job.
1, 2, 4. That's 4 yellow.
Oh, fantastic.
Number 6, ordering numbers. For this activity, all you will need are some number cards and that's it. You can have your little one order the numbers in ascending order or descending order. I would start with 5 cards and work up to 10 cards. You can have them order numbers from 1 to 10, 11 to 20, have them count by 10s, count by 2s, and even teach them odd and even numbers. It all depends on where your little one is at. Follow their lead. Start small, and if it's too easy for them, increase with difficulty.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Good job. Number 7, missing number. This activity focuses on recalling information from long-term memory and using problem-solving skills to figure out the missing number, as well as some visual scanning when they're searching for the number on the sticker sheet. For this activity, all you'll need is a blank paper, a pen, and some dot stickers. On the blank paper, write out a sequence of 3 to 4 numbers, leaving a line where the missing number belongs. Have your little one figure out the missing number and find it on the sticker sheet and place it on the line. Like the previous activity, base the sequence on your child's level. You can start with numbers from 1 to 10 and then 1 to 20 and so on. You can make them ascending or descending order. You can have them count by 10s or 2s, etc. and even do odds and even numbers again. Number 8, numbers and stickers. Representing numbers in different ways helps our little ones grasp the concept of value in a more tangible way. For this activity, all you will need is a blank paper, pen, and some stickers. Simply rule some boxes on a blank paper and write a number in each box. Then have your little one place the right amount of stickers in the box.
7.
Beautiful.
That's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Beautiful.
There's 7 already.
Number 9, last but not least, include counting in everyday activities. I'm sure you're probably already doing this one. You might count stairs when you're walking up them,